Welcome back to the Auto Info Master. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic muscle cars of all time, reborn for the modern era, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro SS 1LE. If you thought American muscle was fading into the past, think again. The 2026 SS 1LE is here to prove that raw power, bold styling, and track-ready performance are still alive and well. So buckle up. This isn't just a car, it's a full-throttle experience. Let's start with the exterior. One look at the new Camaro SS 1LE, and you know it means business. Chevy hasn't strayed far from the aggressive design language we all love, but they've refined it for a sharper, more aerodynamic look. The front fascia has been redesigned with a larger, blacked-out grille and revised LED headlights that give it an even more menacing stare. The hood now features functional heat extractors, while the front splitter, side skirts, and a massive rear diffuser all come in matte black to emphasize the 1LE's track-ready identity. The satin black forged aluminum wheels wrapped in ultra-grippy Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3 tires complete the menacing stance. And yes, that signature rear wing is back. Bigger, bolder, and more functional than ever. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like a cockpit. The 2026 SS 1LE doesn't just look the part, it plays it. Recaro Performance seats hold you tightly in place, wrapped in suede and leather with red contrast stitching. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in suede as well, giving you a better grip during aggressive driving. Behind the wheel, you'll see a fully digital 12.3-inch driver display that can be customized to show performance metrics, lap times, and even G-forces. The center touchscreen has grown to 11 inches and now features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with Chevy's performance data recorder to capture your best track moments. Under the hood is where the magic really happens. The 2026 Camaro SS 1LE is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine, pushing out a solid 475 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a slick-shifting 6-speed manual transmission, yes, it's still available for purists, it delivers that raw mechanical thrill that few cars today can offer. 0 to 60? You're looking at around 3.9 seconds. But what sets the 1LE apart is not just straight-line speed. Thanks to its magnetic ride control suspension, electronic limited slip differential, and Brembo brakes all around, this thing carves corners like it's on rails. Whether you're at the track or your favorite winding back road, the SS 1LE feels sharp, planted, and alive. Chevy didn't forget about tech and convenience either. You get a head-up display, wireless phone charging, a premium Bose sound system, and a suite of safety features including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision warning. It's the perfect blend of analog thrill and modern tech. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 Camaro SS 1LE starts at around $52,000, which is a solid value considering the level of performance and equipment you're getting. It undercuts European rivals by a significant margin, while still delivering an experience that's just as exhilarating. And for those wanting a track toy that can still be driven daily, the SS 1LE hits that sweet spot perfectly. So, is the 2026 Camaro SS 1LE the ultimate modern muscle car? For those who crave old-school power with modern control, the answer is a loud, tire-shredding yes. It's bold, it's brutal, and it's unapologetically American. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Info Master, and tap the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming performance car breakdowns. Until next time, drive safe, drive smart, and keep that throttle wide open.